You're not a man, no. You're not a man, no. You're the God who opened doors no one can shut. You're not a man, no. You're not a man, no. You're the God of everything, no one like you. Hello, welcome to another tutorial with Aaron. Today we are going to be continuing with our 7th chord series. I've done a couple of 7th chord formation in the key of C. So today we're going to be moving to the next key, which is the D flat or the C sharp, which has these notes. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. Right? Alright, so if you have followed my beginner course, you would notice that I've done a series on the key of C sharp. Alright, and we've done 3 videos on it for beginners: the scale, the chord formation, and then I've also done a video on add 9. Alright, so if you don't understand anything, go back into my channel or my website, which has a link in the description box, and go to the beginner course and then learn, and then come back and continue. Alright, so you can also message me on my WhatsApp number, or you can put it in the comment section below and I'll respond to you. Thank you for subscribing, thank you for watching, and let's get on to our work for today. Alright, so we're going to be using the formula for creating the 7th chords. The chord 1, this is our triad. We're going to be adding the 7th note to it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1. Okay, so 1, 3, 5, and then the 7. So on the left hand you can just play 1, 5, 7, or only the 1 and 5, and you get your major 7. Then the chord 2, we're going to be playing a 2, 4, 6, and then we add a 1 to it, so it becomes 2, 4, 6, and then 1. So on the left I'm just skipping the 4, I'm playing like this. You can play the full chord on the left. Alright, so this is our minor 7th chord. Alright, then we're going to our 3rd chord. Now our 3rd chord is a 3, 5, 7, 2. 3, 5, 7, 2. Alright, we are using the number system. So if you don't understand the number system, go back. I'm going to be putting the description of the number system in the link up there. You can click on it and go and learn it. So in any key, you can use this same formula and it will work. So we have 3, 5, 7, 2. So you play that's also a minor chord, a minor 7. And then we move on to the chord 4, which is a 4, 6, 1, 3, which is a major 7. So our 5th chord is going to be a 5, 7, 2, 4, 5, 7, 2, 4, which is a G7. Most of the times it resolves to 1. Alright, then we have the 6 1 3 5. This is our chord 6. And then for our chord 7, we're going to be creating it this way: 7 2 4, and then a flat, sorry, a flat 6 rather. Yeah, so this is a 6, we flatten the 6, or a sharp 5. So in a key of C sharp, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 5 is sharp, 6 is flat. All right, so it's a 6, a 7 2 4, and then a flat 6. Then back to chord 1. But when I'm playing, most of the times I don't use this chord for the 7. I actually use a regular 7 on the left, and then I play a 5 on the right. All right, so that's what I'll be using most of the time. Okay, so this is how you're going to practice it for the root chords. All right, so that's chord 1, chord 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, okay, then 6, seven, and then back to 1. All right, so that is how you practice it. All right, so in the next lesson, we are going to do the inversion of these chords, and then we'll put them into practice in the last video. All right, so